Hi, my name is Kerry, and I am assembling tractor supply company carport, 20 by 12 by 9, and I'm doing it by myself, and I have like zero construction skills. And so anyway, the hardest part, it seems to me so far, has been putting up these ribs. So I've got 3 ribs, one in so far. So what I'm finding out is obviously the side rails here, nothing's exact, and it's a bit flexible because it's not bolted into the ground. So the top post that fits right down in here, it has to be perfectly square for it to slide right in there perfectly. And I'm doing it by myself, and I'm having a hard time doing that. So one of the things I did was just sort of with a large pair of vice grips, just sort of bend in both directions, this way and and this way, just a teensy bit. No, that's not enough, but you get the idea. Just a little bit to kind of get you started. And I've done this on both sides, and once again, so you could see that this, I was probably pounding this. It's bent a little. You see how that's flared out? So that's going to be really hard. So I'm going to straighten that out, and then I'm going to bend this in a little bit here, on this side a teensy bit, and I'm going to bend it in on this side a little bit. And here we go. So just a little bit, and that'll help me slide the upper rib over these posts. So a word to the wise, this is a little trick that might save you if you're doing this by yourself. If you have another person, you can one person can hold the rib and the other person can move the bottom frame or whatever needs to be done. But I'm doing it with a ladder here, and it's been a little tricky. It's been a little challenging, shall we say. Anyway, this is Kerry signing off. Little tip on how to assemble, and this is 2x2 steel, and hollow steel. So anyway, this is how I'm doing it. Just might help you. Let me know. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.